If the washer is not level and legs installed incorrectly, the washer may vibrate and cause noise. Check to make sure the washer is level and all 4 feet in firm contact with the floor. The legs should be properly installed, and if the legs have locking nuts, they should be tightened against the washer cabinet. Are other items in the room, such as the dryer, vibrating? This can be a sign that the washer is not leveled properly or the floor is an issue. If the floor is not sturdy enough to support the washer as described in the owner's manual, then the floor can flex and be the cause of the vibration or noise problem. Refer to the installation instructions for flooring requirements. Noise and vibration may be reduced by placing a piece of 3/4-inch plywood underneath the washer. The plywood may extend underneath both washer and dryer to keep them at equal heights. This information is covered in many owner's manuals. When water is being pumped out of the washer, a humming sound may be heard. When the pump starts drawing in air, it starts to gurgle and make a swoosh. This happens at the end of draining. This is normal. If the load that is being washed has metal snaps, buckles, or zippers, or loose items such as change, a metal clanking, scraping, or ticking sound may be heard as the metal contacts the basket. This is normal. If this noise can be heard when the washer is operating without a load, then there may be objects in the pump. If the pump is not customer accessible, then it may require a service call. A clicking sound can also be heard when the water valve turns on and off. This is normal. Water spraying or water running sounds may also be heard when the washer is filling or dispensing the additives. This is also normal. If a knocking or thumping noise is heard, make sure the fill hoses and drain hose are not hitting against the cabinet. If necessary, secure these hoses to prevent them from hitting the cabinet. If this does not solve the problem, a service call may need to be scheduled.